Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
On the day of a Hakka wedding, the mother from the bride's side of the family will tie a 9-foot-long red rope around the chicken's leg, because the number 9 in Chinese has the same sound as the word for long. Afterwards, the chicken is placed into a basket, as this symbolizes the hope that the couple will have many children like the chicken.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and we're going to continue to find out more about traditions with the Hakka culture. And I think one important day in someone's life is when they get married.
結婚
Okay, that's how you say getting married, having a marriage. 这个其实我也没问過 Leo 結婚了嗎？
我係忙托朋友
啊，托朋友是什麼？
托朋友就是娶老婆啊。
啊，還沒有嗎？
還沒啊。
Okay, so he's single, huh? Single and available. Okay. 結婚的時候有沒有什麼特別的結婚禮數可以跟大家來介紹一下？
其實我們在結婚之前通常一定都要經過這個手續，就是我們會把男方啊、女方的那個名字名跟那個八字八字，然後把它寫在紅紙上，然後放在那個阿公婆的那個神照蛋糕，然後放了大概3-4天之後，如果這當中家裡都沒有發生什麼事情，很平安，就表示這個他們的八字是合的，對這個家庭是好的。
Okay, that's a very simple pre-wedding ceremony or tradition that they practice. Basically, they take the bride's name and her birth date, and they write it down on a piece of paper and put it on the ancestral altar for a few days. And if everything goes smooth and well, then that means this couple is meant to be. 所以把这个姓名八字写下来就可以了那除了这个，一定还有很多比较更深入的这个礼数。
如果是结婚当天的话呢，我比较印象当中比较深刻就是那个女方他们家就要准备那个我们的讲法叫做带路给。
带路给，这听起来是什么特别的鸡，是不是？
就是带路鸡
带路的鸡
然后那个就是用花篮裝着，对啊，就希望这个鸡啊带过去能够这个两公婆就会像这个鸡一样，那个长长久久，然后早生贵子。
Oh, okay. It brings luck to the newlywed. They put a rooster and a hen in a basket to signify that the couple will have lots of kids together, and of course that their marriage will last a long, long time. So Leo, how do you describe this again?
带路给。
带路给. There you go, learning more about the Hakka culture, and that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.